How I make money in affiliate marketing. For today, I'll be talking about Zenith affiliate marketing platform. So how I make money, and I want to walk you through step-by-step process of how I do the same from the copy, then advertisement, my landing page, and how easily I close my prospect. So I'll be walking you through how you can do the same. If you are new to affiliate marketing, consider subscribing to this channel, because in this channel I teach more of affiliate marketing. I'll show you proven blueprints of how I do it. Okay, so let's get into it. Now, as you can see, this is my dashboard here. Now, my Zenith platform, I have $72 already inside of it, and then I've made 6 sales. Okay, this is one of my new affiliate marketing platform I added to the platform I promote. Okay, so I'll walk you through how I do the same. Okay, so all you need to do by the time you get started with the platform, first of all, you go through this place. They say your affiliate school. Here, you click on it. You are going to watch through the video tutorials where they explain about affiliate marketing in details. You have the basic, the course, and then the advanced one. You go through it to understand affiliate marketing. Once you're done doing that, next thing you will do is for you to go straight to your marketplace. On the marketplace, that is where you are going to pick your product. Okay, you pick products. Let's go to its marketplace. Now, the product I suggest you promote is membership products like this one, which is Zenith Smart Course, the one you purchase to become a member. So you click on it, then you go to the affiliate link. You click on the affiliate link. You see, we have copied it to our dashboard. Now, after you have done so, understand how to do promotion. Promoting your affiliate link is effective way for you to make sales. If you don't understand promoting an affiliate link, you will not make a dime. All right, and there are many ways to promote your affiliate link. You have organic means, and then you have paid advertisement. All right, so let me show you my paid advertisement. I'm going to tell you more about free marketing, which is organic marketing. Okay, so I'll go straight to my advertisement. If I click on it, this is my Facebook ad advertisement. All right, so I want to walk you through basic things I do and how you can do the same and get results. Now you can see I have an active advertisement that is ongoing here. I call it Zero Tag Lead Campaign. All right, I have already look at the total money I've spent, about 17,000 naira in advertisement for this new ad account. All right, ads have been running for some times now. Now the last one I'm doing is called WhatsApp, campaign, whereby they click on my advertisement on Facebook, they come to my WhatsApp, I speak to them, and then I direct them to my landing page. It's very important for you to get a landing page, because landing page is what showcases you as an authority. People are skeptical, they might not buy easily. So let me walk you through how my landing page look like before I take you to my WhatsApp group, so you can see what I do there and how you too can do the same. Okay, so this is my landing page right now, where I direct my traffic to, so I can warm them up. They get to know a little bit about me before they can now consider either joining my group or learning more about me or making a purchase, depending on that. So the aim of this landing page is for you to build what is called KLC, which is know, like, and trust with your audience. Now, if you can see a free masterclass training reviews how I generated over 750,000 naira in affiliate marketing using just my smartphone and internet connection. Now, you need to understand that whenever you make a promise or you make a bold statement, always back it up, because people can hardly believe you except they see proof. People need proof. All right, so immediately I say this, I come below and I say yes, with my smartphone before I bought my laptop worth 290,000 naira and a brand new phone for 164,000 naira. Join the class. I put the call to action. Beneath it, I show the proof of my laptop and the invoice and then my brand new phone, in order to make them see, well, what I'm saying is real. I'm not just faking it. All right. So I go straight and then I says, by now you already see young and old people rejoicing in reward affiliate marketing page. I am one of them. So I go down here and I show the proof of my earning, about 1.2 million naira I've generated in my affiliate marketing platform like Digistem, Stakeout, Partner, Seller. I group together, I've made over 1.2 million naira. So I made a screenshot and then the proof as well. So I go down to as well show you my student testimonial article who made over 200,000 naira in 3 weeks joining through my affiliate marketing platform. You get, and I then also put the link, which is for them to join the WhatsApp group. All right, then I go below to show my picture of me being in a beach. This to kind of show them that the person who is speaking to them have a kind of enjoy benefits like lifestyle and then earning in the platform, which is what they desire. So when they click on this join the WhatsApp link, now it bring them down to um my congratulation page. All right, mind you that we have a pixels and the conversion event being installed in this landing pages here, so I can do the targeting ad. So here now, after when they go through here, and then I pitch them for them to watch the video I've put in my video in the group video description. The moment they join the group, they're going to go to the description and watch the video I put there. I encourage them to do so. So by the time they click on join the class here now, WhatsApp, whereby they could join the class. Okay, that is it. It's pretty straightforward. Look at the group here. So when they click on the group description, they will go straight to the description, which is where I put the video link. All right, so when they click on this video link, it will take them to my video in YouTube. This is for them to build a kind of KLT. The video, I restricted it to only people who came from the group. All right, it will just nurture them and then tell them more about affiliate marketing and teach them in advance.
Congratulations, I
You get,
celebrate you.
you understand now? So by the time they watch this video, they're going to learn more about affiliate marketing, so that as I'm doing the tutorial in the class, it will make them to feel warm with me. They have kind of known me, they have known a little bit about me. All right, so some of them will watch this video and then come and get started. Some will wait after I've done the video tutorial. Okay, so this is the part I work my prospects to, so that they can easily convert them. Converting people in affiliate marketing platform is not that easy. So you just need to get a result, and do not make a claim that you don't have a backup. Okay, so always start from at least your results. If it is one sale you have made, if you are just starting out newly, always tell your prospects that you are starting out newly. All right, but a lot of people have made crazy amount of money on the internet. When they understand that you know what you are saying, you believe in yourself, okay, they will likely going to join through you. It's not all about framing or saying what you do not know. Okay, you could kind of teach them from the knowledge you have gotten from your class, from the very video that you have watched from your course. Okay, if you gather the knowledge there and then show them that you can demonstrate it. All right, when they see the belief system you are built, they know that with this person, I'm sure I can succeed, I can make it. Okay, and in my video, in my class here, some of my video on YouTube, I've done a video on how you can generate lead. All right, how you can make money on using your affiliate marketing plan. There are tons and tons of video here that you can watch to learn more of how I make money in affiliate marketing. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the video description. And if you have not gotten started, you can use the link in my profile bio to get started with affiliate marketing, and I'll grant you access to my mentorship group and then give you my proven template of how you can copy my ad copy and then my sales marketing copy for your own, and then replicate the same result for yourself. Okay, you can watch this video here to learn more about affiliate marketing and how you can succeed in it. All right, every example is my name. See you later. Bye for now.